Hey there, adventurers, and welcome. Have you ever seen something so big it makes you feel teeny tiny? Well, get ready because today we're going on an awesome adventure to solve a giant rocky mystery. So grab your explorer hats and let's get started.
So, our mystery is all about one of the most incredible places on the entire planet, the Grand Canyon. It's this huge, deep crack in the ground that just winds and stretches for miles and miles.
Whoa, just look at that. It is so big you could probably fit whole cities down inside it. It's like a giant puzzle that nature made. But who or what put this amazing puzzle together? That is the big question we're going to answer today. How in the world was this giant puzzle made? You ready to hunt for some clues? Let's go. All right, our very first clue might surprise you. It's something you see all the time, something that can seem pretty small and gentle. It's water. Yeah, think about it. You've been outside when it starts to rain, right? A few raindrops fall on you, you get a little wet, and you just wipe the water off. No big deal at all. But here's the really cool part. For our planet, for the Earth, that same water is actually super powerful. When you have a lot of it over a long time, it can do some amazing things. It's way more than just a little drip drop. It's a mighty force. And here is the hero of our story. Everybody, meet the Colorado River. This river flows right through the middle of the Grand Canyon. And let me tell you, it's not just any river. It's like a master artist that carved something incredible. Now, the special power this river uses has a cool science name, erosion. I know, that sounds like a big word, but all it really means is that water washes away teeny tiny little bits of dirt and rock, one piece at a time. So, how's it work? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, rain falls, and that makes the river flow. Step 2, as that river moves, it picks up and carries away those tiny bits of rock. And the most important step, 3, you just do it again and again and again. But wait a minute, water all by itself couldn't have made something as gigantic as the Grand Canyon. No way. It needed a secret ingredient, something really powerful. What do you think it is? What could possibly be powerful enough to help a river carve a giant canyon? Any ideas? The secret ingredient is time. That's right. This didn't happen in one day or week or even 100 years. It took a very long time. So just how long are we talking? We're talking about millions of years. Can you even imagine that? For millions of years, the Colorado River just kept on flowing, washing away tiny bits of rock, day after day, year after year. Wow, that is some serious patience. So the river carved the canyon over a really long time. But what did it leave behind for us to discover? Well, the canyon walls themselves are our next big clue. They're like a giant history book made out of rock. Check out all those cool, colorful layers. Each one of those stripes is like a different page in the story of our planet. When you go down into the canyon, it's almost like you're walking backward through time with every single step. How cool is that? And here's how scientists can actually read this rock story. It's pretty simple. The rock layers way up at the very top, those are the newest ones. And as you go deeper and deeper down, the rocks get older and older. The rocks at the very bottom are ancient. And that's exactly why people say the Grand Canyon is like a window to the past. It actually lets us peek way back in time, millions of years ago, to see what the Earth used to be like. What an amazing view. Phew, what an adventure. We've traveled through time and we've solved the mystery of one of the greatest wonders on Earth. Let's do a super quick recap of everything we just learned. Okay, first off, we learned the Grand Canyon is huge. It was carved out by the Colorado River using that special power of erosion. We discovered that the secret ingredient was time. Millions and millions of years of it. And finally, those awesome rock layers are like a history book that teaches us all about our planet's past. So that leaves me with one last question for you to think about. If water and time could team up to create the incredible Grand Canyon, what other amazing wonders do you think they've created all around the world? Keep exploring, always stay curious, and we'll see you on our next big adventure.